Are you tired of wrestling with code all night long? This blank page can make you cry into coffee. Kleva AI promises to fix that without hiring developers. Today, we test that claim and separate hype from reality. Hey, I am Kamal from TestedApps.com, your skeptic ally. I have 6 years testing online marketing and AI tools. I build, rank, and sell products for a living. This review is honest, practical, and results-focused. Grab Kleva AI through my link below for exclusive bonuses. My bonuses speed up launches and help you monetize faster. Details and download instructions are in the description box. Kleva AI is software that builds live websites from prompts. It converts simple text or voice into production-ready sites. It handles design, copy, hosting, and deployment automatically. The core promise: live sites in under 60 seconds. The process is refreshingly simple and surprisingly fast. Step 1, tell it your idea by typing or by speaking. Step 2, watch the live build render section by section. Step 3, click publish and your site becomes publicly available. It also optimizes for mobile, speed, and basic SEO automatically. Feature 1, live build engine that visualizes creation instantly. This eliminates blank page paralysis and speeds decisions massively. Feature 2, built-in copywriter that writes headlines and sections. You get persuasive text without hiring external writers for basic copy. Feature 3, hosting and security included, saving setup headaches. Feature 4, commercial license that allows you to sell freely. Front-end price for Kleva AI is $16 one time. That is a tiny entry fee for a functional builder tool. Competitor builders often charge monthly and lock you in. A common competitor price sits around $29 monthly. In a year, that competitor costs roughly $348. Kleva AI's one-time structure can be cheaper for frequent builders. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hi there. Close your eyes for a second and imagine typing or saying your idea, then watching AI build it, live before your eyes. Welcome to Kleva AI, the world's first AI super engineer that turns any idea or prompt into fully functional websites in any language in seconds. Build websites, stores, portfolios, landing pages, blogs, funnels, everything simply by chatting with AI. No coding, no templates dragging, no monthly fees, no hosting bills, no limits. Let's begin. Click on Projects, Create New Project. Here you can type your idea or use your voice, like Siri on steroids. Let's say, create a professional weight loss sales page. Boom! Kleva AI instantly starts building it. Or pick from these sample prompts below. Maybe a prompt to build an e-commerce store, Netflix clone, portfolio, sales page, e-learning platform, or real estate site, all just one command away. Let's try this prompt. Build a modern online learning platform like Udemy or Coursera. And there it goes, Kleva AI working in real time, writing your code, styling your layout, and deploying it live. Done. Your website coded, designed, and deployed in seconds. Here's the full production-ready code. And here's the live preview of your website. Wow, just wow! This is stunning! In one blink, your business, your idea comes alive. And it doesn't stop there. You can reprompt, tweak, and redesign any part or section instantly. Let's try it. Change the overall website color to orange and make the text blend perfectly. Done! That's not fantasy, that's Kleva AI. Your ideas, your words, the web obeys. You can preview full screen, export instantly to your server, or publish right here. No setup, no hosting cost. And it's lightning fast. Every site loads at the speed of light. Let's try another prompt. Create a high-converting sales page for my Omni Fat Burner weight loss product. Boom! Done! Your site's ready and deployed. Magical, right? You're not the only one saying that. Everyone's blown away. Because Kleva AI doesn't just code and design, it also writes your content too. And you can still reprompt and customize every element anytime. Let's tweak this. Add a YouTube video placeholder using this link. Change the hero text to Omni Fat Burner, your #1 weight loss product, and replace the hero image with the image I just uploaded. Done. As you can see, that is perfect, fast, effortless. Let's go even bigger. Input your prompt. Build a luxury modern e-commerce website for wristwatches, fashion, shoes, bags, and accessories with editorial-style grids, hover zoom effects, size and color filters, and automatic discount highlights. Make it elegant and conversion-focused. Wow, unreal! A full-blown e-commerce site with products, images, content, layout, all done from one prompt. No coding, no hosting, no API costs. Just pure creation. Oh, and by the way, you can even legally clone any existing website, Facebook, Amazon, Instagram, Netflix, you name it. Let's try cloning Netflix. Input the prompt, click Generate, and watch the magic. Boom, done. An exact lookalike built in seconds simply by chatting with AI. What more could you ask for? And here's something even cooler. Kleva AI speaks every major language on Earth, meaning you can quickly launch your idea and sell it to the global market. Let's try to create a real estate website in French. Créez un site web de présentation immobilière interfact et cinématographique avec des galeries plein écran, des applications 3D et des profils de agents. Voila! Magnifique! The entire layout and content appear in French. Every color, font, and animation feels handcrafted because Kleva AI doesn't use templates. It builds living designs, fresh, unique, and premium every single time based on your prompt. When you're done, hit Publish. All your projects appear right here where you can edit, preview, copy, or share your live site link. You own 100% of everything you create to host, sell, or export however you want. If Kleva AI doesn't blow your mind, nothing else will. This is truly the first of its kind. Here's where it gets even better. Kleva AI comes with a built-in marketplace, your personal digital showroom where you can build, clone, and sell infinite websites and keep 100% of the profits. Start your agency, create for clients, sell your AI-made masterpieces. It's all inside. Whatever you need, websites, stores, portfolios, funnels, blogs, portfolio, pages, and more. In any language, any style. Kleva builds it instantly. Just type or talk your idea and watch the magic unfold. And remember, no coding, no templates, no subscriptions, no API costs, no hosting fees, no limits. Thanks for watching. See you inside Kleva AI, where your ideas become reality. What if I told you you've been living through the wrong era? Because today, right now, the most powerful shift in human creation just happened, and no one told you. For decades, building anything online required people. Coders, designers, copywriters, hosting and server experts. You had to beg, pay, and wait just to get an idea off the ground. But that ends today. Because what I'm about to show you doesn't just build for you, it thinks, codes, designs, and launches for you in seconds. This isn't another AI builder. This is a life-changing technology. Hey, my name is Saeed, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Kleva AI, the world's first AI super engineer that turns your prompts and ideas into fully functional websites in any language in seconds. Kleva AI turns your vision into reality. An AI so advanced, you can literally talk to it and watch it create a real hosted website, store, landing page, blog, sales funnel, portfolio, and more right before your eyes. You type a single sentence or just say it out loud using the Siri-like voice command. Create a modern online store that sells fitness programs. And before you can even blink, the code begins to write itself. Sections form, animations fade in, images align, buttons appear, content fades in line by line. In less than 60 seconds, your business, your idea is alive. Think about that. No hiring, no coding, no subscriptions, no limits. Because for the first time, the web doesn't need developers or freelancers, it just needs you. Now imagine this. A student builds a study website overnight and shares it with the world the next morning. A coach creates their full course platform before lunch. A designer launches a 3D portfolio site in an hour. A restaurant owner speaks one sentence and has a menu, booking system, and payment page before their coffee gets cold. Then someone says clone Netflix and their own streaming brand goes live in seconds. Another says clone Amazon and a stunning e-commerce site appears before their eyes. That's not fantasy anymore. That's Kleva AI. Your ideas, your words, the web obeys. See, Kleva AI doesn't use templates. It doesn't assemble, it engineers. It listens like a human, builds like a machine, and delivers like a team of 10 without sleep, salary, or stress. You watch it think. You watch it work. You watch it deploy. All you do is command. And here's where it gets wild. Kleva AI doesn't just build your site or app, it writes all your content too. It creates your headlines, your product descriptions, your calls to action, even your blog posts automatically. No blank pages, no writer's block. Every page is ready to launch, sell, and scale the second it's born. Think about what that means for you. It means freedom from tech jargon, freedom from cost, freedom from delay. You can finally build the business you've been dreaming of, not someday, not when you have the time, but now. And it's not just for business owners, it's for creators, freelancers, marketers, agencies, affiliates, students, and dreamers. Anyone. Whoever had an idea and wished they could make it real. Because with Kleva AI, the only thing between thought and reality is one sentence or prompt. No limits on what you can build. Websites, stores, sales funnel, blogs, landing page, portfolios, and more. Everything runs on the same AI brain, smart, responsive, and ready to work for you 24/7. The best part? You own it all. Every line of code, every design, every asset. You can export it, sell it, modify it, host it. It's all yours. And with Kleva AI's built-in marketplace, you can even list your creations for sale and keep 100% of the profit. Build once, sell as you want, and profit. The future doesn't belong to coders anymore. It belongs to creators, people who think fast, act fast, and use AI as their unfair advantage. Because what electricity did to factories, what the internet did to communication, Kleva AI is doing to creation itself. Right now, thousands of people are already building the next generation of sites and startups without code, without limits, without terms. You're about to join them. You're about to witness what it feels like to create something real in under a minute. So here's my challenge to you. Stop imagining, stop waiting, stop paying others to do what you can do in seconds. Because this is your turning point, the one tool that finally puts control back in your hands. Click the button below, log in, and type your first idea. In 60 seconds, watch it come alive. Remember, no coding, no monthly subscriptions, no learning curve, no API cost, no hosting fee, no barriers. And hey, if you're worried, don't, because you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So go ahead, create your account now with Kleva AI, and if you don't like it, just send us a message and we will refund every penny you've paid, and even give you a bunch of bonuses as a gift for wasting your time. What are you waiting for? This is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Click on the button on this page, and I'll see you inside.
Now the funnel and optional upgrades are worth reviewing carefully. OTO1 Unlimited for $67 one time, unlocks unlimited projects and removes build limits entirely. Buy it if you plan to create multiple client or agency sites. OTO2 done for you for $297 one time. It provides ready-made sites and funnel packs to speed launches. Great for beginners or marketers who hate creating from scratch. OTO3 Automation for $47 one time. Adds workflows and autopilot functionality to reduce manual tasks. Useful when you want systems that run without constant supervision. OTO4 Swift Profits for $47 one time. Delivers quick monetization tactics and fast launch strategies. OTO5 Limitless Traffic for $97 one time. Focuses on traffic methods to bring visitors to your sites. You still need to implement and test campaign strategies manually. OTO6 Agency for $167 one time. Adds client billing tools and agency-oriented workflow features. This upgrade is my top pick for freelancers and small agencies. OTO7 Franchise Edition for $97 one time. Provides expanded rights and reselling flexibility for bigger scaling. OTO8 Multiple Income for $47 one time. Includes additional blueprints for stacking income streams around builds. Choose upgrades based on your business goals and real needs. Don't buy everything out of fear, pick what you will use. I ran Kleva AI through my usual hands-on tests this week. I asked it to create a simple affiliate landing page for testing. It generated layout, images, and copy in under 5 minutes. I tweaked headlines, hit publish, and the site was live quickly. I exported the code and found it clean and usable for clients. This saved me a few hours of manual setup and debugging. My honest take, solid for speed and asset ownership. It will not replace expert developers for complex custom applications, but for landing pages and simple stores, it performs admirably well. Kleva AI is not a magic income machine on its own. You still need traffic, funnels, and conversion optimization skills. It is not ideal for deeply customized application logic or integrations. Some niche or bespoke designs may require developer refinement afterward. Support response quality is typical of launch products. Plan accordingly. Tip: start with a clear, concise prompt for best results. Keep prompt specific, niche, toned, layout, and primary CTA. Example prompt: build a fitness landing page with testimonial slider. Tell the AI preferred colors, fonts, and brand personality right away. Use short edits to refine sections rather than massive rewrites later. Export projects if you prefer hosting sites on your platform. Marketplace option lets you list templates for immediate passive income. Test different headlines rapidly to improve conversion based on data. Pair Kleva AI builds with simple email funnels for conversions. Combine limitless traffic strategies with agency services for client scale. Always proofread generated copy before publishing for tone and accuracy. Images are auto-selected, but consider swapping for branded photos quickly. Lock in launch pricing only if you plan regular site creation. Use A/B testing on headlines to improve click-through rates. Clients often pay more for speed and professional presentation using Kleva. Design customization is simple using the visual editor after generation completes. Keep original prompts stored for reuse and faster future deployments. Brand kits save time by applying consistent colors and fonts automatically. Security and backups are handled by Kleva AI Cloud Infrastructure out of box. Daily backups reduce the risk of data loss for published projects. Simple e-commerce pages work well for small catalogs and digital products. Complex marketplaces will still require specialized integrations beyond Kleva AI. Combine agency upgrade with done-for-you assets for faster client delivery. Offer maintenance packages if you resell sites built with Kleva AI. Charge setup fees and ongoing retainers to scale a service business. Use the live build demo to show clients how quickly ideas launch. Record screen captures while Kleva builds to use for marketing collateral. Share before and after microstories to showcase transformation and credibility. Track performance metrics like load time and conversion after deployment. Monitor mobile experience carefully since mobile drives the majority of traffic. Speed optimization is automatic, but review images to ensure efficient loading. Small edits often improve perceived quality more than full redesigns do. Consider exporting code before custom development for advanced client requests. Exported code integrates with common host and providers in custom environments. Use the commercial license terms to confidently sell templates and sites. Keep receipts and documentation for license proof and client transparency. Pricing combos matter. Front-end plus unlimited suits heavy users best. Agency buyers should prioritize upgrades that unlock billing and client tools. Traffic buyers should pair limitless traffic upgrade with repeatable campaign templates. Beginner buyers often find done-for-you assets worth the higher cost. Automation features reduce repetitive manual steps and human error significantly. Swift Profits module highlights quick wins but requires marketing execution work. Franchise rights are useful for structured resellers and partners. Multiple income blueprints give creative monetization ideas but need implementation. Assess your technical comfort before committing to advanced agency or franchise offers. Leverage the 30-day refund policy to thoroughly stress test features. Keep a simple checklist: prompt, build, proofread, publish, promote, iterate. Request support tickets early to test team response times and quality. Join user communities to share template strategies and prompt ideas quickly. Document what prompts produce the best converting pages for easy replication. Set realistic expectations. Speed is real, but marketing still drives revenue. Record a short case study after your first successful client delivery. Small wins compound into consistent income streams with repeated option and focus. Finally, take advantage of limited launch pricing if you plan frequent usage. Questions or case ideas, drop them in the comments below. Like this video if you found the review helpful today. Subscribe for more honest tool reviews and affiliate strategies. I'm Kamal from TestedApps.com. Talk soon and take action.